class 9th. Today I am going to start the chapter Heron's formula. So if we see ABC is an scalene triangle. So formula of area of scalene triangle is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where ABC are the sides of the triangle and S is the semi perimeter, means A plus B plus C by 2. Area of an isosceles triangle b by 4 under root 4a square minus b square, where b is the base and a is the equal side. Now area of equilateral triangle, that is equals to root 3 by 4 into side square, and as we know perimeter of a triangle equals to sum of three sides. Now here I am going to find area of equilateral triangle. So if we make a equilateral triangle, this is A, this is B, and this is C, and we draw the perpendicular over it. This one is the perpendicular. Now if it is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal, so it is x, it is x. Now if we draw this perpendicular, that works as a median, so this distance is x by 2, this is also x by 2. Now in triangle ABD, the Pythagorean theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. So x square is equal to AD square plus x by 2 whole square. So x square is equal to AD square and x square by 4. So AD square is equal to x square minus x square by 4. Here is plus, other side minus. Now if we take the LCM, that is 4x square minus x square by 4, that is 3x square by 4. So AD equals to under root 3 by 2 x. So if I am going to write height of equilateral triangle, so then the formula will be root 3 by 2 into x, that is side. Now area of equilateral triangle, half base into height, half base is x and height is root 3 by 2 into x. So you can see 2 to 4, and here is root 3 and here is x square. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into x is side, so side square. Now here I am going to find the area of an isosceles triangle. So this is ABC, this is an isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal, that is denoted by A, and here base is B. If we draw the perpendicular, so perpendicular acts again as a median, so this distance BD is B by 2. Now in triangle ABD, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Here hypotenuse is A, so A square, and this is the perpendicular, that is AD square plus the base is B by 2, so B by 2 whole square. Now if we open the square, so B square by 4. So here is plus, other side minus. So AD square is equal to A square minus B square by 4. So AD square, if we take 4 as a LCM, so 4A square minus B square. So if we remove the under square, so half under root 4A square minus B square. Now area of isosceles triangle, half base into height. So half base is here is B and height under root 4A square minus B square by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, B 1 ja B. So B by 4 under root 4 square minus B square. This is the area of isosceles triangle. Now here there are some other formulae. Area of a parallelogram, that is equals to base into height. Area of rhombus, half d1 into d2, means first diagonal into second diagonal. Area of rectangle, L into B. Perimeter of rectangle, 2L plus B. Area of square, that is side square, also 1 by 2 diagonal square, and perimeter of square 4 into side. Now here I am going to find area of rhombus. and for that ABCD is a rhombus. As we know, all sides of a rhombus are equal and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degree. So if we find area of rhombus, ABCD, so here we can write area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ABC. Now if we see area of triangle ADC, this is the base, so half AC, and height is OD, that is the perpendicular, and this one half, again base is AC and height is OB. So if we take half AC as a common, so OD plus OB, so half AC into, you can see in the figure, OD plus OB is known as BD. The total length is BD. So we can say area of rhombus equals to half AC is the first diagonal, means D1, and BD is the second diagonal, means D2. Now exercise 17.1, and this is the first term. The sides of a triangle are 7, 24, 25 centimeter. Find the area in centimeter square. Now as we know, if we see, as we know, the sides are 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So you can say this is a scalene triangle. So we can find 2s, that is A plus B plus C. So 2s is equal to 7 plus 24 plus 25. So 2s is equal to 25 plus 4, 25 plus 24, that is 49, 50, that is 56 centimeter. So s is equal to 28 centimeter. Now area of triangle under root s minus A, s minus B, s minus C. So here s is 28. Now 28 minus 7, 28 minus 24 and 28 minus 25. So this is 28, and we know that 4 7 ja 28, and 28 minus 7, that is 21, and here that is 4, and here is 3. So if we see 4 into 7, 21, 7 into 3 and 4 into 3. So there is a pair of 4, pair of 7 and pair of 3. So 3 into 4 into 7, 84 centimeter square. There is another method. If we see 7, 24, 25, it makes a right angle triangle. It makes, there is another way, that is the second method. It makes a right angled triangle. Now we know that this side 25 is the hypotenuse, because that is the longest side, and the area is half base into height. So half any one of base and any one is height. So 7 into 24, so 212 is a, and 12 7 is a 84 centimeter square. Now in the second question, there is a right angle triangle whose base is 6 cm, hypotenuse is 10 cm, and we have to find the area of right angle triangle. Now, as we know that area of right angle triangle is half base into height, but we don't know height. So here we use the Pythagoras theorem, that is h square is equal to p square plus d square. So hypotenuse is 10, so 10 square. Here perpendicular is the height which we need to find, and base is 6. As you know, 10 square 100 and 6 square 36. So 100 minus 36, that is the perpendicular square. So that is 64. So perpendicular is under root 64. So perpendicular is 8 centimeter, and this is the height. So area of triangle, half base into height. So half base is 6, height is 8, 2 4s, so that is 24 centimeter square.